Very interactive. You could also write the code, exactly for dinner, so you can erase that. We don't have a fully wired today, but imagine you're going to cook dinner and you get your recipes right there. So you don't have to run over to the computer and run back to the fridge. It's all very interactive. You can do an email. Kind of like your Lisa My House calendar is a big deal, and you have to coordinate 3 or 4 people, so you can have it combined. Remember the whiteboard you can hand to so it's really cool. This is just fridge. So this knows what's in the fridge. So we put in some soda. You can see it's an actual remember it said 9, so now it's checked it out. So it knows that 1 came out. So you can imagine that would be helpful.
How did it, what was?
So for us, we're using RFID.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously these aren't on Coke bottles today, but it could be done off of a barcode scan or various ways. We're doing it to show concept, but you could do it off of different.
Right. Some of the fridge concepts have sort of cameras, so you can just sort of hit a button and have the video play.
Yeah,
sort of
see
like
what's inside.
Yeah.
The nice thing is everything has that, but you have to scan it. You have to know that you scanned it on the way in and out.
That'd be pretty good. My 15-year-old son
Who's been taking the beer?
Not the beer, usually just the sandwich.
And then this is also literally a shopping cart, so
So you can sort of.
but it's on the cloud, so you can be at the store and pull it up on your phone.
Right.
You can see takeout menus, right, from your local takeout places. Pull them up, order directly online or whatever.
So a photo doesn't have to be a photo, it could be a scanned image of a particular menu, a list that you have, whatever you can scan in there would be a photo. That's most of it. And you could have print hooked up to it, you could have a camera right here. It would actually show you
Any idea on how much this would add to like a retail value for a fridge? Like hundreds of dollars theory, or is it?
I don't have an actual price